Hi, everyone. Welcome to Elate Software Solutions from Penieltech Technology LLC. Today we are demonstrating our check printing solution called Elate Cheque Print. Elate Cheque Print is a very simple but extremely powerful check printing solution available in the market. Elate Cheque Print is available in two editions. Firstly, a basic edition that allows printing of checks of different banks, and also an advanced version which allows multiple company creation, batch printing and customized payment vouchers along with the check. Elate Cheque Print comes fully loaded with the major bank check templates in the UAE and also allows the user to define user-defined check templates. It is simple to operate. Just add the payee details in the check entry screen and choose the listed bank and enter the check number, check amount and save the transaction. Click on the print button from the checklist and print the relevant check. The advanced version of the software allows the creation of multiple companies, and you can enter the check information of each company separately. It also has a unique feature that allows batch printing. The user can define the number of checks to be defined, and the software will allow the user to enter multiple check information on a single screen and print it all at once. The payment voucher can also be customized as per requirement. It also supports PDC checks, and the user can generate a PDC report. It also can be integrated with certain accounting solutions like QuickBooks or similar applications, which will capture the payment entries made in the accounting software with a click of a button. Elate Cheque Print is one of the most popular check printing solution in the Middle East and North African region. Thank you.